This is the official shirt, and this is I'm not the only one who's allowed to wear this now. I don't want you to think that.
Okay, so this is a community shirt?
This is a community shirt. Here we go. This is the official shirt. It arrived in my internal mailbox one day from where I know not.
Yeah, is this you?
Yeah. Wake Robin is what's called a CCRC. What does that stand for?
Continuous Care Retirement Community.
That's right. It's kind of a long-term care insurance, if you want to look at it that way.
I came in here, I was not a woodworker either, and I still am not. But we do have some beautiful woodworkers, and we've got a book there of all kinds of stuff that people have built over the years.
We have a couple of work tables, and then we have a lot of stuff. And we have a couple of clamps. As Dale said, you can't have too many clamps. And we have a dust collection system, and that is really important. I mean, it's what keeps us healthy in here. I mean, it would really be a problem if we didn't have it.
They had a lathe that somebody donated, and nobody was using it at all, so I started, and I got pretty good at it. I do enjoy segmented turning and so on. And
so did this all kind of start for you when you moved here?
when I moved here, yes.
So no prior?
No, I never even saw a lathe.
I was drawn to this place because it was part of my basic interest in what I enjoyed doing. But when I came here, I found that there was a real community that existed in this space. And there were 5 or 6 people, or maybe a dozen people, who were regulars. And everybody seemed to enjoy the space, have a lot of fun together, help each other out, get a lot of laughs, tell a lot of stories, and it was just a fun place to come. And then some more people began to come, and they seemed to be of the same interest. And so the community just grew, and it's just a delightful space, especially like on a Friday morning when we have an open shop and people come in and they trade stories, bring in stuff to be fixed, and it's really very enjoyable. So it's a great space.